Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Lerato Kganyago has finally apologized. She posted on her Instagram stories that she is apologizing because she was defending Chidimma Adetshina. Okay, so now she was apologizing that she defended him while people were just warning her not to do it, were just saying that she is not South African. Now there are celebrities who were siding with Chidimma Adetshina, including DJ Spoo, who has also apologized, Pearl 2C, and also Prince KB. Like, there are a number of celebrities who were siding with her, and we can't blame them because they also didn't know that she is not South African. As well as Lerato Kganyago, she also didn't know, guys. You know, she was just defending her because she saw a lot of people were not on her side, guys. A lot of people were just not on her side. So but Lerato Kganyago posted on his Instagram stories. And what's amazing, guys, is that when she was defending Chidimma Adetshina, she was doing it in a video. Now that she is apologizing, she is writing statuses. She is not doing it in a video also to apologize, you know. But Kesana, an apology is an apology. We can't name and shame, but this is what she said on her Instagram stories. All I wanted to do is to stand up for another black woman. I apologize to those who have been offended in so doing. So she was just defending Shemuntanabantu. She didn't know, guys, and she didn't know. And this is also what she posted. With that said, I respect opinions, respectfully so, but insults about my womanhood, etc., I definitely block you. All love. And then she included hearts there, and she also said, and to all the ladies and gents that have given me constructive criticism without being vile, I appreciate it. That's how I grow. And she is telling the truth, guys. You can criticize someone without being vile, you know, without insulting them, without saying all those hurtful words that they said to her. They were coming for her miscarriages. They were even saying that she is evil. That's why God is not blessing her with children, which is just out of order, guys. It's really not on.